Hello, welcome to Qúe Fitness World. My name is George Barnes, owner and creator of Qúe Fitness World, a functional fitness studio. We work with the populace who have been injured from atrophy, car accidents, weight loss, post-pregnancy, post-surgery. We're a specialized team that actually helps and assists in your recovery. Why pick personal training? I love people to actually feel good about themselves. It's so often that people get down in the dumps. Personal training just isn't lifting the weights and moving things around. Really what it's about is getting inside a person's mindset, allowing them and encouraging them to want to do this. You have to want to get in shape. If you don't want to get in shape, then you're just going to slowly deteriorate. I love personal training because I actually care about people, and not for nothing. I have my own injuries. I have my own type of atrophy I've suffered from time and time again. If you go on my Instagram, you'll know what's actually happening with me. So, I keep going. I don't stop. I won't quit. That's what Qúe Fitness is about. We make that difference for you. Life coaching, meal planning, encouragement, check-in, responsibility. But more than anything above that, it's a family here. When you join Qúe Fitness World, you're not joining just a regular gym or a fancy boutique. You're joining a family membership. That's what you're doing. We all care about each other. We all push and motivate each other. And the slogan is, be you for you. Your injury, your atrophy, whatever's happening to you, don't think you're all in your own world by yourself, because we're all a team of this. We all suffer from something. Let me help you. Come down to Qúe Fitness World, 465 West Commercial Street. We're located right here in East Rochester, New York. It's a private facility, no judgment, all family, all love.